This is from the company Consciot, maybe is how you would say that. Rechargeable, disassembly, free lantern. How about that? And you can see over the package here. Let's just kind of like go over some of the specs of this thing. It's got an amber light that's spotlight from 240 lumens, 5 hours, to floodlight 280 lumens to 7 hours. Warm light, 300 to 320, 5/7. Daytime light, which is like a very bright daylight. It's a spot flood, 400 to 425 and 5 and 7. Then 15 luminous on the little red light. 42 hours on the red light. That's a long time. Weight is 335 grams. Batteries is a 4,400 milliamp 3.7 volt battery here. And the color I have is desert yellow. And enough about it. Let's just go ahead and take it out of the package here. You can see how it has it set up right there. Very nicely packaged, by the way. We don't need that. I already had it out, so I kind of know what to expect out of this. You get a USB-C charging cable. It looks like it would go like that, but it doesn't. Believe it or not, this goes like this. You pull these little feet out. Check that out, everybody. Look how that thing sets so nice and neat. Has a little hanger right there. Looks like a 1/4-20 for screwing something in, whether it's going to be like a tripod mount or some sort of mount like that. And to use this thing, you're going to go one button on right there, and that's that amber light. That's that warm light, and that's that daytime light. See the difference there? And there's the red. The right side is the red. So yeah, there's all the lighting features right there, but then check it out. There's more to this thing. Fold the legs up, put a twist on that, pull that off. Now you have a spotlight. Check that out. It's like a little spotlight. So now it's like a flashlight if you want to walk and use it as that. Then opening up this right here, you've got a USB-A and a USB-C. So we're going to plug that in. And then let's say I got some batteries, some GoPro batteries that need to be charged here. Check this out, everybody. Charging away. This thing is also a power bank. So it's kind of like a saver and a power bank if you need to charge up something. Those are fully charged, so I ain't got to really worry about it. And it's not waterproof, but it's definitely water resistant. So yeah, this is one of these items I think everybody should carry on them when they're camping, hiking, or doing something like that. Because sometimes you just want more like a lantern style instead of a flashlight. And that's where these things come in really handy. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the Consciot flashlight, lantern, charger. See y'all in the next video.